Have you ever wondered how websites are built and what makes them look so appealing and professional? Well, the answer lies in two fundamental technologies, HTML and CSS. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language used to create web pages and define the content you see online. HTML uses a series of tags to define different elements of a web page, such as headings, paragraphs, images, links, and more. These tags tell the browser how to display the content on the page and provide the underlying structure for the website. For example, you can use the H1 tag to define the main heading of a web page, the P tag for a paragraph of text, and the IMG tag to embed an image. By using these tags in different combinations, you can create a wide variety of different types of web pages with varying structures and content. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, is used to style and visually enhance the HTML content of a web page. With CSS, you can control things like colors, fonts, spacing, and layout. You can specify the background color of a page, control the font size and color of text, and set the size and placement of images and other elements. By using CSS, you can create a consistent look and feel for your website, regardless of the type of content or structure. CSS provides a powerful way to style and enhance your HTML content, and is essential for building modern, visually appealing websites. In conclusion, HTML and CSS are both critical components of web development. HTML provides the structure and content for your web pages, while CSS provides the visual style and enhancement. To be a successful web developer, it's important to have a strong understanding of both HTML and CSS, and how they work together to create modern websites. Thanks for watching. Now that you have a better understanding of HTML and CSS, you're on your way to becoming a successful developer.